Hello, this is Ariel Ortiz. This is my Web Lab number 2 assignment using Screencast-O-Matic and teaching 3 out of 4 basic browser functions listed below. The first one we're going to do is customize or change your browser homepage. If you go into Settings, you'll see an option right here that says On Startup on the side. And we're going to click on that. And now on startup, you can either, have open a new tab open or continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. And this is your home page right here, google.com. Every time I open up my browser, it'll go to google.com. Again, to get to the setting, you gotta click the Customize and Control Google Chrome. It's the 3 dots on the side. And then you're going to click Settings. And then on Startup. Now our next one is going to be to turn on or off your pop-up blocker. So, since we already have Google Chrome open, we're going to go into the settings again. So let's just close these tabs. We're going to Settings, and then if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see a setting called Advanced. So we're just going to click on that really quick, and you can see Privacy and Security. This is exactly where we want to be. We want to go into Content Settings. Control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. So we're going to click on that, and you can see over here, there's something called pop-ups and redirects. Now, I have pop-ups allowed, or, you can block them. So if you want to block a specific pop-ups sites, you would type in that website, or you can just simply turn it off. And pop-ups now are now blocked. And then, for the third one, I was thinking about maybe managing cookies. Or, let's see, that was the one to set the cookies. Alright. Now, you see over here this yummy, crunchy chocolate chip. I'm going to click on that. And over here we have all the settings for cookies. We can allow cookies over here from websites. We can see all the cookies in the site data. And we can even block cookies or clear on exit cookies. Over here in my settings, I allow sites to save and read cookie data, which is recommended. So this is just setting the cookies. But the way we would get here is you'd open the Customize and Control Google Chrome, you'd go into Settings, and then you'd scroll all the way down to Advanced. Then we'd go over here to Content Settings. There's cookies. And that's how you would get to go about setting them. You can even block third-party cookies if you would like to. The fourth one, clearing your cache, is pretty easy. It's right over here. So you go to your settings again. You can scroll down just a little bit. Right over here it says Clear Browsing Data. Click on that. And right here, look, 206, wow. Haven't cleared that in a long time, huh? So you can delete your history, you can delete a lot of things here. So I'm just gonna clear out my images and files. And that's how you do everything that was listed on Web Lab 2. This is Ariel Ortiz, and thank you for your time.